Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, even though it's a box, not a bag. This is fresh out the mail. I just grabbed it. I'm excited to see what's inside it, even though I do have an idea because I checked my account this morning to see what I was getting. I do want to mention, so I have a separate account for just the regular Ipsy bag from this. And for that account, I got an email saying that I could now sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So that means to me that they're going to be opening it and offering it to more people, which is great because I know a lot of you guys in my videos are always asking me how to sign up for it, or you're on a wait list and you wish that you could get it. So if you get the Ipsy bag, the regular one, I would check your email because I got it this morning, and sign up or go on their website and see if there is a way to sign up now. So that's great that they're offering it for more people, or to more people, excuse me, because it's a great value for $25. And I've actually been just skipping my regular Ipsy bags now because I might even cancel it because I'm just satisfied with this. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to find out what's in my Ipsy Glam box for the month of April, then just keep watching. First product I'm a little pissed or PO'd about, but I'll get into in a second. This is the Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. It retails for $35, and off the little pamphlet that it comes with, it says, this Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face's 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. So that's like a little backstory. I've never tried this brand before. The packaging is to die for. It's definitely unique. I love the little fortune teller crystal ball theme we have going on, and then that's what the back looks like. And it's definitely a decent sized palette. It's a nice full size palette. It would be great for traveling. But so why I'm PO'd is because I opened it up a second ago, you guys, and part of the highlighter shade, of course the highlighter shade that I would use, broke and fell out. And it didn't fall out onto my carpet, thank God, because that would have been a mess, but it fell out onto the little like slip cover that it came on. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to tip it and have it go all over the place. So I think what I'm gonna do is email Ipsy customer care, see if they'll send me a new one. This could have been like this before they shipped it out, or something could have happened in the mail, but I mean, it comes pretty well packaged in the mail, like when they ship it out. So I mean, I don't know, hopefully they'll send me a new one because I didn't do this. It just happened to fall out. It was cracked. So anyways, this is what the palette looks like. It's definitely a beautiful palette, definitely bold, as the little pamphlet said. Now for me, this would not be an everyday eyeshadow palette, and unfortunately for me, these three shades are the only shades that I would use. I would not use the yellow, and I would not use the bottom row. The top row is all mattes, the bottom row is all shimmers, and then you have those two highlighter shades. Now, as I mentioned, the one that broke is definitely a highlighter shade that I would gravitate toward. It's beautiful. And then the white one, or like the pearl white, is like, I feel like that would be more for like, you know, fair skin tones. I don't necessarily think I would use it. A lot of my highlighter shades are more like this like champagne color, so it's definitely a stunning shade. Just a little pissed about it breaking all over the place. I'm just thankful it didn't get all over my carpet and my lap. And then lastly, I just wanted to mention it comes with this little brush. It's a little dual-sided brush. It's got the little angled side there, and then it's got the little blending side there as well. So for traveling, this would be nice. It's you know, an eyeshadow and highlighter palette, so it's like a 2-in-1. Again, for me, I just don't do the bold colors, you guys. I don't do purples, greens, yellows. I just stick to the neutrals. Lastly, this kind of like the layout of it a little bit, it's smaller, but it reminds me of the Carly Bible palette because, and that's like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old now, but it's got like the eyeshadows and then the highlighters because I believe her palette had that similar layout. So again, this is the Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette, and hopefully Ipsy customer care will send me a new one because it wasn't my fault. Okay, you guys, so this next product is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. I am definitely excited about this. I think the only bronzer palettes that I own are like the Kat Von D one, and then the Lorac Pro, I think it was like a contour palette or whatever from years ago. So let's see what this is all about. Well, actually first, it retails for $39. Gotta mention that. So we're already like to, what, like $60, $70 going on here. So that's what the shades look like. I'm super happy about this, you guys, because these are definitely shades that I would wear. Honestly, I think this, what is it, Cymbeline, if I'm saying that correctly, Cymbeline right there. That would be a little bit too light for me, but the other two, Suniva and Aditya, that's the names of them, would probably be shades. I don't know, Aditya might be a little bit too dark, but if I have, you know, more of a tan, I could use it. But definitely some stunning shades, definitely great for a variety of skin tones. So I will definitely be using this palette like tomorrow to test it out. I'm super excited. For traveling, that would be nice too. I mean, I want to see if this, you know what, and I will kind of just, well, I don't want to take the packaging off, but honestly, you could even use this as like a contour color and then use these as the bronzer color. So it's like a 2-in-1 palette. So it is nice, and I've never heard of this brand as well. Again, this is the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette, and it retails for $39. The third product is the Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Eyebrow Highlighter. That's a mouthful. This retails for $22. I already have this. I own it. So and I don't even, honestly, I probably should use it again. So this is like reminding me to use it. I'm just going to take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. But basically what you can use this is to just highlight, obviously, your brow bone. I feel like I don't even highlight my brow bone anymore. I feel like that was big like a couple years ago. Do you guys, let me know in the comments down below, do you guys still highlight your brow bone? Maybe I'll start doing it again more for like the spring months. But anyways, that's what it looks like. It's really nice. And honestly, I will probably, I haven't done a giveaway in like years, but once I get to like 20K, I was planning a giveaway, so I will include this in the giveaway when I do hit 20K. This is a nice product. Again, I own it, so I don't need two of them, especially because I don't really use it that much, and I don't really highlight my eyebrows as much. But even if I do highlight it, I usually just use like a nice shimmery eyeshadow shade or highlighter. I don't really use this, but I guess it's just personal preference. But when you do use this, it is nice. It does, you know, it does give it a nice like highlighted look. For my brows, the only thing I do to them is I use concealer underneath them to just define them, but that's it. So again, this is the Benefit Cosmetics Highbrow Eyebrow Highlighter, and it retails for $22. So the last two products are skincare items. The fourth product is Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes. This retails for $55, and this is basically, it says a bright eye solution, dark circle radiance concentrate. It says Dr. Goldfaden's Advanced Ultralight Brightening Eye Cream helps to reduce the appearance of under eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful looking glow. Visibly brightens the eye area, reduces the appearance of under eye puffiness and fatigue, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines. So I'm just going to open it up and see what the packaging looks like. Now, I don't know. I feel like I've tried a lot of eye products, and I feel like a lot of them just don't work for me. So we could try this out and see if it does. That's just my own personal experience when it comes to using eye products and, you know, a lot of skincare products, but I'm not even going to get into that. So this is what it looks like. Now, for me, I don't really have dark circles. That's not my problem. But I have like really looser skin. So I have the under eye wrinkles like when I smile with the lights. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's just looser skin. It wrinkles up a lot. So I would love if this would help out those wrinkles, firm up the skin. If it works, fantastic. So if it does, I will definitely let you know. Again, that is the Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes, and it retails for $55. So the last product, I had to like do a double take because I was like, Paris Hilton? I didn't even know she had like a skincare line. I remember like back in the day she had her, I think she still has her perfumes, but like I used to love a couple of her perfumes. So apparently she has a skincare line. So this is the Paris Hilton Skincare Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel, and this retails for $29. So it says, let's see what it says on the back. It says formulated with ingredients like caviar lime that deliver vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to the skin. Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel gently lifts away dirt, impurities, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. It says that you can use it twice a day as well. In the morning, I like to take a makeup wipe in the morning, like after I wake up, and then at night, that's when I cleanse or wash my face. So I don't wash my face twice a day. I just want to see what the packaging looks like. This is definitely a very big size cleansing gel, so it's nice. This is going in my shower right after I'm done filming. Can't wait to try it. It says use twice a day. Again, I already mentioned that. And it also says too that you can massage it into your neck and décolleté. If I'm saying that, I know I always like butcher that word. Décolleté, neck, décolleté, décolleté. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So this is the Paris Hilton Skincare Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. Retails for $29. Okay, so I just added up all of these products. It came out to be $180, so that is a great value. And then lastly, I just wanted to mention the other products that you could potentially be receiving. So in addition, if the page loads, okay, so in addition to what I got, they're also offering the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smooth brush. It looks like a angled kabuki brush. I got an It Cosmetics brush, I think, last time. And then they're also offering a Lovecraft Beauty blush palette. So I got the bronzer palette, which I'm actually excited about as opposed to getting a blush palette. I have like so many blush palettes, it's not even funny. And then you could also get the Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Bomb Pencil. So I'm actually glad that I did not get that because I don't use like sparkly light pink colors. And then you also could get the Feel, that's the brand, Balance Moisturizer. And then and I think that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 products and you would get 5 of those 9 products. So I guess like out of what they offered, I would have liked to get that brush, but oh well. This box, it was okay. I mean, I feel like the last couple months boxes were a little bit better. I only say that because the eyeshadow palette, a lot of those colors I just don't use on a daily basis, and I don't use bold colors. It's not something that I do. I'm a neutral girl. The skincare, I'm actually excited to see if it works, like the Paris Hilton cleanser, the the eye cream or whatever. Hopefully it helps with these lines. The highbrow I already have. Again, I will just include that in my next giveaway. So overall, it was an okay box, but let me know in the comments down below what you got. Did you get the same products as me, some of the same products, what you like, what you don't like? Did you like your box? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, if you do not have this, they should be offering it. I don't know if they're just offering it to people who have the Ipsy regular bag, and then they're going to open it up to everybody, but definitely check your emails, go on the website. It's great news that they're offering it to more people. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.